and featuring today a brand new construction here in Weston. So you guys know, and if you follow me enough, that we don't have brand new homes. We don't have the space. But there is a caveat to that, and there is an exception. And today I'm here in Botaniko. So I just want you to just enjoy this beautiful property that I'm about to show you. And if you have any questions or comments, let me know. Welcome to 16722 Botaniko Drive in the beautiful city of Weston, Florida. Right from the entrance, you can feel how private and peaceful this home is. You are greeted by huge windows, floor to top. The high ceilings, the windows, how bright everything is, and the sense of space that's just wow. Look at all the natural light coming from every single side of the house. There is a 3-car garage plus extra outdoor parking. So no worries. When you have guests over, you won't have any issues at all. Just off to the side, we got a large laundry room and a private bedroom with its own bathroom, perfect for living help, maybe guests, or even a little extra space when you need it. One of my favorite parts is this garden right in the middle of the house. Natural light just floods in from those floor-to-ceiling windows, and it really brings life to the whole space. There's a full guest bathroom downstairs and another oversized bedroom that can work beautifully for in-laws, a home office, or a super comfortable guest room. Check the size of this bedroom. Now look at this massive family room. It flows right into the kitchen and entertainment area. And the finishes here, honestly, they're just on another level. Everything is just so well designed, so open, and so perfect for everyday life or entertaining. Oh my God, it's just beautiful. One thing is me telling you what I'm seeing, but another thing is like you being here is incredible. I really love how the kitchen connects directly to the barbecue area outside. It just makes sense. Everything is easier when you're hosting, and the view from here is just incredible. And wait for it. A full 180 degrees of palm greenery and water. It feels like a little slice of paradise. Look at this view. What's not to like about it? The pool is great. It has this little aisle. It's got this little tanning space, or if you have small kids, it's perfect. You don't have to worry about anything. They can just play in there while you are barbecuing or enjoying the other side of the pool. Now that we're heading upstairs, the second floor starts with a private balcony and leads to the bedrooms. Let's check out the main bedroom first. It's a true sanctuary, not just a closet and a bathroom. Look what we have here. We have his and hers full bathroom, which each with a soaking tub, natural bright light, and elegant finishes. Look at this. It's just like a private spa for her and a private spa for him. This is only one of them. Oh, and guess what? The balcony stretches the entire length of the bedroom. It's private, it's peaceful, and the water view every morning. What do you think? Yep, we reached the other end. And this is the second bathroom, or spa, because each of them has a fully functional shower, soaking tub, everything. In the middle of the upstairs, there is a great flex space. You see here, it could be used as a playroom, a cozy sitting area, maybe even a media room. Then we have 4 more bedrooms, each one with its own private full bathroom. Each of them is in a corner. So they are all generous in size, right? The layout is perfect, the size. The only thing is the different views, but they are all equally beautiful and nice. Before we wrap up, I want to give you a quick tour of the Botaniko community. It's a gated neighborhood with a very modern luxury vibe. And as you'll see, there is still homes under construction, so it's an exciting time to join this growing area. I hope you like my video. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I would love to see you next week. Wait until the end. I want to show you the gate and what is around.